Hello traders, welcome back to today's forecast. So yesterday I gave this British pound here for potential continuation to the downside to this level. Overnight we actually had price almost trade to that level and then rejected. So since it didn't close the fair value gap in entirely on a daily here, I was suspecting that this was a pullback and there's a high probability that they will basically come back. So during the New York session I did manage to get myself a sell, and I'm still in a sell on this. Between the three, between the pound dollar, the pound Aussie, and the pound yen, I chose the pound dollar because this was in an uptrend, but I was just anticipating them to go and attack this equal low based on what I was seeing on the 1 hour time frame. But I got it wrong, and they've made a new high. So I'll leave that for today and then give you something else. Same thing with pound yen. There was some serious weakness in the yen. I didn't anticipate that today. I did not anticipate them going aggressive below that low. I wanted to see them stay inside this big candle, right? Because that was an inside candle, so I wanted to see today stay in there and then British pound go down. But again, I got that one also wrong, and they've made a new high. Now because of that weakness in the yen, we could probably see it continue going up, but they've just formed a swing low, so likelihood of this retracing before going up tomorrow will be there. So I don't even like the way it went up. It's just too weird in my opinion. Price action is a little bit weird with this move up here, so I'll leave that alone and focus on this pair going into tomorrow. Tomorrow there's a CPI numbers on the dollar index, and since dollar index is still aiming for that level, I think British pound is still the play. Euro is just stuck in a consolidation, so I'm leaving that one alone. Another potential trade that you can look into is the crude oil. Crude oil, I'm bearish for long term, so I'm expecting a market maker sell model to complete below this low, and then long term this equal low. So that's also another good pair. So I'm personally short on this and also on that, and I'll be looking for another potential day trade tomorrow to sell, and the British pound. The crypto, Bitcoin, ended up doing what I said, which was if I leave my stop loss above the high, if I do take it and I leave my stop loss above the high, right, they're gonna take me out and still be valid. It did, and it still came down. So I'm still bearish. I'm looking for price to go down, right? And the draw liquidity is this low and this equal low. What they can do tomorrow is probably punch it up above this high and then aggressively sell off. So tomorrow's CPI numbers is going to be very impactful, so you'll see what you're gonna get going into tomorrow. Okay, so that's it, short and sweet. I'll start doing something else on the YouTube channel. If I do see some nice price action, I might do a live trading on the YouTube, and if I do, I'll send a notification to everyone that has subscribed, or in the free Telegram channel, I'll send it in there, and then we do a potential live trading. Okay, and it will be London. If I see some nice price action overnight and I can forecast what might happen the next day, then I'll do a London session live trade. All right, so that's it. Until then, take care, have a wonderful evening, stay blessed.